Mic check 1 2 1 2. We are back with another video.
Here
we are gonna do some Dragon Ball Dawn of the X Legends.
Z Legends.
Oops, is that a Z?
That's a Z, fam.
Damn, I can't see.
Made it rhyme, son.
Man, I'm blind.
Zenkai.
And there's a God Rare in this.
There is a God Rare in this set. I am hoping.
And they're making it really hard for you to get anything.
Yeah, this set is, from what I've seen, has been hard. Let's see what the box topper is. Can it be an SPR for the box topper? It would be crazy if it's a secret rare.
Let's see.
Let's see. What is it?
Oh, I like the packaging, man. Ooh,
it's looking like it's an SR.
It's got a cracked ice feel to it.
Yeah, the hologram is like kind of different in this set. Yeah, this is an SR.
Oh, baby.
Not bad.
Alright, let's do this.
Oh man, oh man, oh man.
So we'll run through all the cards since we haven't seen these yet. Leader card. Very nice, very nice. Very nice.
Ooh, okay. This is a pretty hard card to get.
Look at
Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta.
Look at that shine. Shine.
The Ultimate Fusion.
Ultimate. So we'll be bagging and tagging that guy.
I also heard the packs are kind of harder to rip in this one.
Oh, really? Let's see.
Also heard cards feel a little different.
They just stepped up their quality.
They stepped it down, maybe.
Nah, they ain't stepping it down. I believe in these guys. Who produces this, Billy?
Oh, SPR!
Nice. Look at that.
SPR. All right, 2 packs in. Got the first SPR.
I like it.
All right. All right, fam.
Let's go, fam. For Team Fam.
Team Fam. Okay.
Demon God. Demon God?
Don't know his name. I can't see his name. Demonic Invitation. Shroom? Is his name Shroom?
I think so.
Yep. Demon God Shroom.
This package. Even the package is dope, man. The cover art. Dope.
It's good.
It's dope.
Okay. Urine.
Urine.
Yeah, urine.
Urine. Urine.
That's a Toriyama, man. I don't know. The names he comes up with.
I don't know.
Something else.
It's funny. Ooh. Piccolo Jr.
Piccolo Jr. That's Piccolo as a kid. Full of evil and rage. His main goal was to get revenge for his father.
For his father?
And Piccolo to kill Goku. Never happened.
Never happened.
I mean, it did happen.
They became friends, no?
Yeah, they became friends. After Piccolo did kill Goku, but... That's
Vegeta. Super Saiyan.
nice looking Vegeta.
That is. Let's go. That's cool so far. Trying to get some bangers here. Whoa.
Whoa, fam.
Easy, fam, easy. Oh, God pack!
No! Oh, it's a God pack! Oh my God! Because it's hollow!
It's hollow from the beginning, kid.
Wow!
Dude, the whatever, the God Rare's in here.
Okay.
God Rare's in here.
Before you go through this, every video I've seen of this opening, I have yet to see a God pack.
Oh, wow.
A God pack in the new set.
Oh,
The God Rare's in here.
Oh my God.
It's gotta be.
Please.
Let's go.
This is crazy!
Let's go. Let's
Gohan.
go.
Oh. The Z Warriors.
Oh,
Oof. All right.
nice.
All right.
Oh, man.
That was crazy.
God pack.
Crazy! crazy! Look at that!
God.
What did it end with? An SPR?
I think so, yeah.
Let me double check.
Look at that bat. Oh, welcome to the club!
Alright, they're all SRs, but oh man.
That is awesome.
Wow.
See, I'm telling you, man, I weighed all your boxes in my hands and I felt this one was heavier.
You got the touch, fam. You felt
Got
it.
the touch. Reaper's cunning. Oh. Reaper's cunning right behind it. Sweet. Dude.
Wow, that was insane.
That was insane.
3 SRs in this pack. Wow.
That is dope. They're not making it hard, son. They're making it better. This is nice.
How they should be doing it.
Dude, this is nice. This is a really nice card. Let's go.
So Zenkai. Yeah, put that to the side though.
Which one?
The Zenkai?
This one?
Yeah.
He's the East Kai.
Oh, look at that.
Eastern kids.
That's a nice SR.
Sorry.
SR.
Could this be a stacked box with a God Rare in it as well? And you know how it
would be
looks
the
like,
God
right?
box. If the God Rare is in here, this would officially
Oh
be a
man,
God
look at
box.
this.
That's a leader. Hollow.
Oh, it's a leader hollow. Nice.
Oh, and the Zenkai. Yeah, put that to the side.
Where? This one?
Yeah.
This is Zenkai?
Mm-hmm.
Where do you see Zenkai at?
Well, they all have this like number on the side.
Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. Let's go.
Wow, that God pack. Ooh,
Nice.
I like that.
Oh, look at that Vegeta's dope. Oh. He's awesome, man. Okay.
Can we do it again, man? Can we do it again?
Dude.
First
that'd be
box.
Nuts. That'd be nuts.
Almost done with the box.
Yeah, almost on the box. Who is it again? The God Rare?
It is Bardock, Goku's father. So
It's Daddy Goku.
Yeah.
It's Big Daddy.
So then the next pack you're gonna pull out, that's who the God Rare is of.
This guy.
Yep, that guy right there.
Nice.
That's the boy. That's the boy-o.
I got the touch. The Great Ape. Ooh. That's gotta be something, no?
That's one of the new Zenkai cards. Ooh, SR.
That's
SR.
they definitely stepped up the game, man. They look really good.
Yeah, they do.
Beauty. Oh. Alright, every time I see the X, I get flashbacks. Oh, Vegeta. Ooh, wow, man, this box is
Pretty lit up.
yeah,
man.
man, this box is really good right now.
This box is lit up.
This is probably the best box I've seen so far. Put that to the side. One after Vegeta, yeah. South Kai.
You got him, no?
No.
Nice. Let's go.
Ooh, another leader. Oh man.
That's not the one?
No, but
That was close. It's
Yeah.
close.
Bardock.
See, I don't know how it looks like, so I wouldn't know, but I know you said his hand.
This is weird. So we'll bag attack these. So leader. Gine, Goku's mom.
Oh, Piccolo.
It's a nice Piccolo.
Very nice. Let's go. What a geek.
So Gohan. This is
Last 2 packs, gents. Oh, man. Last 2 packs. Let's do this.
Secret rare.
Let's do this.
Ooh.
Oh! Nice.
Fated rival. When they fought in the tournament in Dragon Ball.
Yeah, it's Dragon Ball.
Dragon Ball, fam.
Goku was 16 here.
Bringing it down memory lane,
Yes,
kid.
sir. There's a SPR, right? Got 2 SPRs.
Last pack. Last pack. Let's go. Let's get this. All right. Dude. So these are the notable hitters. We got a God Pack, which is wild.
3 SRs in
You gotta hit that like just for that. You gotta subscribe just for that. But these are all the beautiful pieces of artwork that we just pulled out of this box. Fantastic product. We will definitely be revisiting this multiple times. So hit that like, hit that subscribe, and we will catch you at the next one.